1. AJAX. Asynchronous JavaScript and XML. 2. API. Application Programming Interface. 3. APK. Android Application Package. 4. ASP. Active Server Page. 5. ASCII. American Standard Code for Information Interchange. 6. ATA. Advanced Technology Attachment and Parallel Advanced Technology Attachment. 7. Basic. Beginner's All-Purpose Symbolic Instruction Code. 8. BIOS. Basic Input-Output System. 9. CNC. Computerized Numerical Control. 10. CPU. Central Processing Unit. 11. DNS. Domain Name System. 12. DTP. Desktop Publishing, Distributed Transaction Processing. 13. EJB. Enterprise Java Bean. 14. ICT. Information and Communications Technology. 15. ITES. Information Technology Enabled Services. 16. IT. Information Technology. 17. HTML. Hypertext Markup Language. 18. HTTP. Hypertext Transfer Protocol. 19. JPG. Joint Photographic Experts Group. 20. MMS. Multimedia Messaging Service. 21. PDF. Portable Document Format. 22. PHP. Hypertext Preprocessor, earlier called Personal Home Page. 23. RIP. Rest in Peace, Routing Information Protocol. 24. RSS. Really Simple Syndication, Rashtriya Swayamsevak Sangh. 25. SEO. Search Engine Optimization. 26. SIM. Subscriber Identity Module. 27. SMS. Short Message Service. 28. SQL. Structured Query Language. 29. URL. Uniform Resource Locator. 30. USB. Universal Serial Bus. 31. Virus. Vital Information Resources under SEAS. 32. Wi-Fi. Wireless Fidelity. 33. www. World Wide Web. 34. XML. Extensible Markup Language. 35. XMPP. Extensible Messaging and Presence Protocol.